Hey friends, today we're making a bold double-fold vanilla extract. Twice the beans, twice the intensity. If you want to get started, we've got DIY kits and extra beans waiting for you at positivedeviantcreations.com. Making vanilla extract is simple, but patience is key. Just follow these easy steps and in a year you'll have something incredible. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. To make true double-fold extract, you need the right ratio of beans to alcohol. Here's what you'll need. 2 ounces of vanilla beans, 8 ounces of vodka, bourbon, rum, or any spirit 35% ABV or higher. A glass jar with a tight seal. Step 2. Prepare the vanilla beans. Now it's time to break down the beans so they release their full potential. Slice them lengthwise to expose the seeds, then chop them into small pieces. The more surface area, the better, because the goal is to dissolve as much as possible into the alcohol to make your extract. Step 3. Combine and seal. Drop the chopped beans into your jar. Pour in the spirit and make sure every piece is fully submerged. Seal it up tight. This is where the transformation begins. Step 4. Shake and wait. Give it a strong shake, then store it in a cool, dark place. Shake it often, wake it up, keep it moving. Remind it that change is happening. Let it infuse for at least 12 months. No shortcuts, no compromises, as time is what makes this magic. And that's it. The longer you wait, the deeper the flavor. If you're ready to make your own, grab a DIY kit or extra beans at positivedeviantcreations.com. What spirit will you use to fuel your extract? Let us know in the comments below, and happy extracting.